We have come to the end of the 11 concepts. 11 concepts are pretty arbitrary. There are many important concepts in JavaScript, but these 11 are definitely crucial. So we first looked at scope and dug into that, and then we built on that with hoisting. And then we talked about a very important concept in JavaScript, that objects are everywhere in JavaScript. And that's an important thing to remember. Prototypal inheritance, the type of inheritance that JavaScript practices for its objects, is crucial to understand. We dealt with that with a couple of videos. Then we talked about higher order functions. JavaScript has higher order functions that makes many things that we do in JavaScript possible. One of those being callbacks. And we dealt with callbacks and the importance of callbacks. Even though there have been additional asynchronous patterns added to JavaScript, callbacks are still critical and important. We dealt with IIFEs, immediately invoked function expressions. Those are found throughout JavaScript code. Closure, such a critical concept in JavaScript. I feel closure is one of the most powerful things that JavaScript has to offer. That's hard to say because there are a lot of things that it has to offer, but closure really is a concept that I draw on quite a bit. Then the module pattern, very important pattern for developing, making sure that code is self-contained and that we're avoiding conflicts with variables and functions. Understanding this is simply important because it's not a straightforward idea. And so it can cause confusion and it can affect what we do with our code. And then finally, promises, an important asynchronous pattern. And as I considered promises, I thought about async and await, which is a new asynchronous pattern. But understanding promises is necessary to understanding any of the other async patterns. And so that's why I chose promises. So those are the 11 concepts. I think the important thing is to understand these concepts well and continue learning JavaScript. That's one thing I've always felt is crucial, is never stop learning JavaScript. You need to always improve on the skills you already have. All right. Thank you for joining me in this course, and I hope you found it helpful.